Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love avocados as much as I do, you're in for a treat today. We're going to dive into 5 amazing health benefits of this creamy green superfood. First up, avocados are a nutrient-rich powerhouse. They're packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are fantastic for heart health. But that's not all. Avocados also provide essential nutrients like fiber, potassium, and vitamins C, E, K, and B6. In fact, just half an avocado delivers nearly 20 different vitamins and minerals, making it a perfect nutrient-dense addition to your diet. The second benefit is that avocados are great for heart health. The monounsaturated fats in avocados help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while boosting good cholesterol, HDL. This can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, avocados are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduce strain on your heart, promoting a healthier cardiovascular system overall. Next, let's talk about weight management. While avocados are calorie-dense, they are also rich in fiber and healthy fats, which help you feel fuller for longer. This can reduce overall calorie intake and prevent unhealthy snacking throughout the day. So, despite their calorie content, avocados can actually help with weight management by keeping you satisfied and helping you maintain a balanced diet. Another fantastic benefit of avocados is their positive impact on digestive health. With about 10 grams of fiber per avocado, they play a key role in promoting healthy digestion and maintaining regular bowel movements. Fiber is essential for preventing constipation and keeping your digestive system functioning properly. Including avocados in your meals can keep your gut healthy and support your digestive system in the long term. Lastly, avocados are amazing for your skin. The healthy fats, along with vitamins E and C, help keep your skin hydrated and promote collagen production, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This can leave your skin looking fresh and youthful. You can even apply avocado topically as a hydrating face mask, but simply eating it can help boost your skin's glow from the inside out. So there you have it, 5 incredible health benefits of avocados. From supporting heart health and aiding in weight management to promoting digestive wellness and youthful skin, avocados truly are a superfood. Whether you enjoy them in a salad, blend them into a smoothie, or just eat them on toast, there's no wrong way to enjoy this delicious fruit. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite way to eat avocado. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.